What's good, y'all? Just Get Litty in JL's World. Here to give y'all another video, another banger. This is an unboxing video. Yeah, so this is first, before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Share out this video to your family and friends, your community tab, your social media, all that good stuff. And subscribe if you haven't already. This is a Brightup electric razor trimmer for men. I got it from Amazon for $21. There it is. This is the box right here. As you can see, this is all it consists of. So all those times I had to use a regular shaver, a non-electric shaver, razor shaver, or trimmer, I don't gotta worry about that no more because I got a electric razor trimmer now. So I will be debuting this weekend because I definitely need to shave my face for sure. Yes, as you can see, body groomer, manufacturer model, power, product size, all of that. So easy and convenient with comb, full trimmer, and 3 combs. As you can see, multi-trimmer with 4 interchangeable heads for all parts of the body. Yeah, so this is also my very first trimmer I ever bought, so I'm pretty excited to debut this weekend. So this is the end of the video. Give me your thoughts about this unboxing video in the comment section. Appreciate y'all for watching, coming by, tuning in. I love y'all, and I catch y'all in the next live stream video or short. Peace.